Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this video, we will be discussing an AI YouTube video maker website that can use for free. Creating YouTube videos can be a time consuming and expensive process, but with AI video maker website, you can create high quality videos quickly and for free. So let's dive into how to use an AI YouTube video maker websites. So first thing is choose an AI video maker website. There are several options available online. So I'm going to use the Heijen website. This is the with AI. So create engaging videos 10x faster with AI. So I'm use this platform for making a video. So I'm gonna show you how to use and how to create video. So here is the demo. You can also see when you click on the Heijen website, you can find this one. And now I'm going to show you how to do that. I already in the website. In here, how do you want to create video to this? So first thing is I'm going to use the template, and here how kind of video do you want for your YouTube? You can choose from here, like the ChatGPT, Google Ads, and poster search style. What kind of style do you want for your video? Let me click, or let me just show you as an example. If I use this one, tips and tricks, click on that, and here use this template. Just I'm going to post it now. I'm going to do that. Use this template and click on that and choose the avatar TypeScript, and you can do it. So here you can see this is the avatar. You can use this avatar or you can choose the different avatar. So how can you do that? Go to the avatar, and from here you can use or you can choose the avatar from here. If you're looking for the different avatar, like you can choose this one, or you can choose the like this one, whatever you like, you can use from them. And also you can use like your own avatar, like from the my avatar, and the upload or generate you can use from here. Today I'm going to show you from just a little bit and the few steps how can you do that. For this I'm just using the from here use this one. Okay, this is now what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use script. You can choose from here, like starting a business involve planning, making key financial decision, and completing a series of legal activities. You can use this one, and also you can choose the different voices. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use like the template before that, and also you can use the different element if you're looking for the element, and you can also customize your own element from here. Okay, for now just I'm using the avatar, and you create AI video. So you can use the character in here. Let me just choose the some script for here. Okay, let me type in here. If I type this thing, welcome to our YouTube channel, like this script, and I can use. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play it. If you looking for here, just say the play it, just choose it here.
Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of artificial
Yeah.
intelligence and machine learning. In this video, we'll be discussing an AI YouTube video maker website that you can use for free.
Okay, so this voice will come, and also you can use the audio script here. Just if do you have the script, you can choose a file or drag it here. You can just take it here, or you can do just click on here and you can import the file audio script in here, or you can also record up to 5 minutes. Just click on here and it will come up as a voice. You can use it. So I'm just first resize it, and let me just use this script, and you can use the more script in here. So it's now done. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the different voices. If I use the different voices, and if I don't like this, so let me choose one of them here, or you can just filter it. Like if I use this one male, it's now male. So now I'm using that one, select is that, and now it's selected. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just submit it and load and submit directly. I can just say Here, confirm to submit. Producing this video will consume your credit as listed below. Please confirm. So credit needed 29 minutes. So but I'm used here credit left 1 minute. So I'm using only for 1 minute. Let me just click on the submit. And now it's ready to make converting or processing the video here. So it takes several time to do it. So it's not ready for download. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just click over the download and it's now going to here. You can see it's downloading, and I'm going to show you how we did it make with my script. And click over here. Let me just open it and play it.
Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this video, we'll be discussing an AI YouTube video maker website that you can use for free.
So the first step is to conduct market research. Secondly, write down your business plan. And then, fund your business. It's time to cut the big ribbon. Your business is officially open. Contact me to get free business counseling if you need help.
Okay, so it's done. So using an AI YouTube video maker website is an excellent way to create high quality videos quickly and for free. By following these steps, you can create engaging and informative videos that align with your branding and style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI related content.